Many Amazon sellers are losing money every single day simply because their backend keywords are poorly optimized. You could be one of them and you don't even know it yet. In this video, I will walk you through the 6 main SEO fields that I use to scale my own Amazon brands, and I'll show you how you can best utilize them in your own listings. The first and most important of all of these fields is the generic keyword field. This is the absolute backbone of your Amazon listing, so you should be putting the most effort into getting this one right. Amazon allows you up to 500 characters per field, and sometimes, depending on what category you're in, you can even have up to 5 of these. The generic keyword field is best used for single words. These are the words that your long tail phrases are made up of. You can also use it for synonyms or variations of keywords that are found elsewhere in your listing. A very important thing is to include Spanish keywords as well. Many people search in Spanish every day on Amazon, but how often do you see a Spanish listing in the US? You don't. It's all in English. So if you put Spanish keywords in your backend fields, you will show up for those Spanish searches, and that's more sales for you. The 2 big don'ts in the generic keyword field, including words multiple times. You don't need to do that. If it appears once, you're ranking for it. You don't need to shove it in there 5 times. The biggest one is don't include brand names or competitor ASINs. This is a very, very easy way to get your listing suppressed, and sometimes you can even be hit with an IP violation if you've used another company's brand. The second field, and definitely one that is often overlooked, is your A+ content alt text. Every single image in your A+ content is allowed up to 100 characters of alt text. This is normally used to describe what the image is showing. If it is an image of coffee beans, you will say coffee beans being roasted, coffee beans being ground. However, Amazon ranks whatever keywords you put into these alt text fields. So it's a great opportunity to shove some more phrases in there or shove some more single keywords. This alt text is available for images in both the A+ content and in the brand story. You can easily gain over 1,000 characters of additional SEO real estate in just one A+ content. And that doesn't even include your brand story that is going to be shown across multiple products. It is essential that you don't copy and paste these alt text fields across every single one of your images. Make them all unique. Add different keyword phrases in there. Mix it up. Use some misspellings. Use some Spanish phrases in there. You want to have as many different phrases as you possibly can. The third field is intended use. This is for you to explain how your product should be used. Don't just write down the first thing that comes to mind. Be creative. Think of as many different ways as possible that you can use your product, especially when it comes to, can it be gifted? Can it be an anniversary gift? All things like this, put them all down. It helps to give the customer different ideas of how they can use your product, as well as helping Amazon to rank it in the background. The fourth field is the target audience field. Here, you must define your target customer. Are they male? Are they female? Are they old? Are they young? Are they middle-aged? And what best describes them? Are they a beginner, professional? Are they an outdoor enthusiast? Are they a nature lover? Do they love running? Are they into fitness? This helps Amazon to rank your product better when that specific person is searching for anything related to your product. The fifth SEO field is subject matter. You are allowed up to 50 characters per subject matter, and again, depending on the category, sometimes you can add up to 5 of these, so 250 characters combined. Subject matter is excellent for phrases, single words, misspellings, and, you guessed it, more Spanish keywords. The sixth and final SEO field that we recommend you use isn't actually on the back end, but it's on the front end, and this is the A+ text outside of your images. Many people don't know this, but the text outside of your A+ content images actually ranks on Google. When someone searches for a phrase relating to your product on Google, if that phrase is in your A+ content text, your product can show up on a Google search. This brings extra traffic from off Amazon onto your Amazon listing. It's extra traffic that you wouldn't have had if it wasn't in the A+ content text. These are just the basics of backend keyword research. Amazon is changing all the time, and so are customer searches. A high search volume phrase today could suddenly have a massive drop off tomorrow, and you'll just be left there wondering, why is my listing no longer selling as well as it was? Because of this, that staying on top of the current SEO trends in your niche is extremely important. You should aim to re-optimize your listing every 1 to 3 months, especially around holiday periods such as Christmas, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day. There are a ton of new phrases that appear around these holidays that you should 100% be included in your listing. I work on many Amazon accounts across tons of different categories every single day. Because of this, I constantly stay up to date with all of the changes in SEO tactics and constantly find new and better ways to optimize my clients' SEO. If you're interested in seeing how I can help you optimize your listings to increase your sales, schedule a free consultation with me in the link down below in the description. If you got value out of this video, feel free to check out one of our many other videos on how to optimize your Amazon listing for better SEO and more sales.